Okay, real talk. Women never forget a man who's done these things to them. And I'm gonna tell you some really honest, truthful stories. But here's the thing. I'm gonna tell you what you can do so she never forgets about you. But I'm also gonna share with you what you need to do so that she keeps you around. Because some of the stories I'm gonna share with you, these guys were unforgettable, but they didn't stick around. So what are the 2 things that you need to do both so that you're unforgettable, but she also keeps you around? I'm Arica Angelo. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go. First, I'm gonna do this a little bit different. I'm gonna tell you the things that are gonna make you stick around. She's not gonna get rid of you. She's gonna wanna keep you. But if you can do what I tell you in the end, woo, you guys will have fireworks and sparks for the rest of your life. One of the things that will make her want to keep you is your ability to show her that you care for her. When you demonstrate acts of kindness, when you're very nurturing, when you're attentive to her, when you do all of that stuff, she cannot let you go, because not many men know how to do both of the things that I'm sharing with you. So when you're caring for her, you're nurturing her, what you're doing is you're feeding her soul. You're soothing her trauma. You're making her feel safe with you. These sort of things women do not let go of easily, because they know that most men aren't capable of doing that. They're not doing the research. They're not watching YouTube videos the way that you are, my dear stud. So when you're able to demonstrate this to her consistently, she's never gonna want to get rid of you. You are someone who's super special that makes her feel loved. And when a woman feels loved, so I really want to encourage you to do that. But let's get into the naughty stuff of how she will never forget you. Now, I'm gonna be super honest with you. Us girls, we talk way more naughty than you guys would believe. And so most of the time when we're having our girl talk, we've had a couple glasses of wine, we're gonna share stories about who? Our best sexual encounters. There's that one guy that she had the most explosive sex with. He did things to her body that she can never forget about. So if you can be that husband, that partner who knows how to do these things to her body and show her the care, when you can do both of these, you are a champion! Champion, champion. In fact, in the comment section, just write champion right now, because that's what I'm gearing you guys towards, to become champions with women. So they will say naughty things like, oh my God, this guy made me come so many times. This guy, his body looked like this, and he would do this to me in all these different positions, and we did all these naughty things that we should have never done, but we were doing them. So, you know, I teach you guys how to do this sort of stuff with oral with my tongue magic or my oral obsession bundle, where I really show you how to make a girl squirt, how to go down on her with tongue magic, how to finger her into ecstasy, real conversations between me and my friends about what really happens with women in their bodies, and just some hygiene practicality. You can get all that in the oral mastery bundle, or you can just get tongue magic. They're both in the comment section. They're both in the description. But I guarantee you, a woman, she's gonna remember the first guy who maybe had sex with her outside, the first guy who was able to make her squirt. You get what I'm saying. If you can do both of those, hello, unicorn, you are the unicorn amongst men, and this is what I think relationships should be like. You should still have that explosive sex and still care for the person. Why do we believe that it's one or the other? You can have your cake and eat it too, but you've gotta learn those skills. You gotta learn how to bring her that pleasure, because when you can do both, she'll never stop thinking about you. She'll keep talking about you, and she will never, ever want to let you go. Here is a video about, if you just give me 10 minutes, I will make you her favorite lover. I've got videos Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays. I will see you there. You take care. Bye.